Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So we have this Good and Gander organic tropical blend from Target. It has mango, strawberries, and pineapple chunks. No added sugar. So we also have our Barney's crunchy almond butter. This does have sugar added to it. I thought I got the sugar-free one. Then we also have the organic probiotic cashew milk yogurt, and this is the substitute for milk or juice. You can use yogurt in a smoothie, for those who were not aware of that. Also, I used some frozen bananas and a little splash of organic agave. And here is our smoothie. That's my peach seed over there. Don't mind that. And so here is the consistency. Of course, you can add ice if you like to make it a little bit more, it's like slushy like. But this is a very creamy consistency. More like a milkshake. So there you have it. This is a very good smoothie, and I used a whole banana, about a tablespoon of the almond butter, maybe 2 tablespoons of the yogurt, and I think I filled the fruit up to about here, somewhere in here. So I put the bananas in first, and then I added the rest fruit. So it's probably about a half a cup to a cup of fruit, so that you have some idea of how to measure. And it made a little less than 24 ounces. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.